Come with me as I take a hike with the Holy Spirit. This is one of my most favorite things to do in the summer. Swedish summer is not complete unless I spend a few nights in a tent, bathe in the ocean, spend time in the Word, just hang out with God and His beautiful creation, eat some delicious food. This is the ultimate soul refresher for me, and I just love it. So thank you for tagging along. God bless you.